Hey everyone, I honestly don't even know where to start. It feels like my YouTube channel broke. Hmm, not literally, but emotionally. I've been on this YouTube journey since 2020, and after all these years of creating videos, trying so many niches, and pouring my art out into content, I realized something is deeply wrong. My growth is slow, my earnings are tiny, and, and, and honestly, my heart bleeds when I think of how much effort I've put in with little to show for it. Hmm. But maybe this was the push I needed to start again with clarity and purpose. For years, I've tried different things on this channel: tutorials, reviews, digital tools, motivational, business tips, and while each one had its own moment, it never really felt aligned. So I took a long, honest look at everything and I asked myself, what do I really love doing? What do people truly need from me? And guess what? The answer was right in front of me. People don't even need another tech video. They need visibility, they need growth, they need to understand how to build a solid online presence for their business. That's what lights me up. Helping people grow their online visibility, building websites that attract clients, and position their brand for success. So, from today, Tech with Bunmi is transforming. This channel will now focus on building your online presence, website strategies that actually work, online visibility for entrepreneurs and small business, and the practical steps to grow your brand online. Because I believe every business, no matter how small, deserves to be seen. For those who are new here, my name is Bumi Asala, and I'm the founder of Zibet Media Solution, a digital media brand dedicated to help entrepreneurs stand out online. You can learn more about what I do at www.zibetmediasolutions.com. This isn't just a new direction, it's a rebirth of my purpose. I want to help you be visible, be profitable, and be confident online. So, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or small business owner or someone who wants to finally start and scale online, you are in the right place. Please stick around with me on this new journey. Expect tutorials, visibility tips, website building guidance, and strategy to grow your business online, even if you are starting from zero. If you ever felt invisible online, I've been there, but not anymore. We are doing this together. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification, and join me as I rebuild Tech with Bunmi, one visible brand at a time. Thank you. Welcome to the new era of Tech with Bunmi, where visibility meets growth.